We cherish all those amazing memories. Watching you take your first wobbly steps, hearing your joyful giggles during peekaboo, and our daily trips to the park with Grandpa. You would grip my hand so tightly as we chased after ducks, laughing as the wind brushed against your cheeks. We sang lullabies, dried your happy tears, and savored every cuddle. During those wonderful days, we felt like the luckiest grandparents in the world. Now, it's time for us to head back to India. Leaving you behind makes our hearts feel so heavy. Even though there will be oceans between us, our connection will always stay strong. Each night, we'll close our eyes and relive the sound of your laughter from our park adventures. Each morning, we'll pray for your happiness and safety. We're taking a part of you